So we're taking a look at this solar power bank here. The reason why I like this is because it has a ton of outputs and inputs and everything you pretty much need when it comes to charging any device. On the front, you got your solar panel, so you can stick this into the sun, it'll charge it. And if you're curious to know how the solar charging actually works, it's automatic. So you can see it's not charging right now, but once I stick it under the light, you can see that that green light is now on, so it is charging. So the solar charging is automatic on this. On the bottom here, you've got your output section, so you can flip this little piece up, and there's all your outputs right there and your inputs too. That's a regular USB, you have a USB-C, and then you have a micro USB. Flip it over on the back, you can actually do wireless charging right here, so you can place your device, your phone, whatever, right on top of that charger. So if your phone's MagSafe, you can MagSafe charge using that. And then on the bottom, you have 4 different cables that just come already connected. So you can just flip it out and use whatever you need to. You've got your micro USB, you've got your USB-C right here, you got your lightning cable, and then you have that other USB one right here. So it's got all the cables, it's got all the outputs that you need. It even has a flashlight too, which is really easy to turn on. There's gonna be a power button on the side, and all you have to do is double click that, and that's gonna turn the flashlight on. There's a couple different modes with that too, and to switch to the modes, you just click the power button again, and it'll switch the flashlight mode. So you can see this is like a blinking one. Click it again, and you have a more of a strobe effect. And then to turn it off, you just have to hold it down and it'll actually turn the flashlight off. So really simple. But overall, I would definitely recommend this. It has everything you need when it comes to portable charging. Really good power as well, and it holds a lot of power. Every cable you need. I think this would be really handy if you're going to be going camping outdoors, or just to have this in your car, you know, just as a just in case type of portable charger. Definitely a powerhouse though, and I would recommend it.